With almost 250,000 vehicles sold a year ago, the Explorer is one of Ford's top-rated vehicles. Tragically, the auto is very old now, so it doesn't utilize Ford's present innovation and assembling process. Keeping in mind the end goal to streamline its generation, Ford will discharge another form soon. So far they chose to stay silent about this new model. In any case, the new 2019 Ford Explorer has just been seen trying, so we do have a really smart thought about what's in store from what's to come. Rather, the new 2019 Ford Explorer will be founded on Ford's forthcoming D6 design. This will be a completely particular stage, particularly intended for huge front-wheel drive autos. Lamentably, this additionally implies the Explorer will stay in light of a unibody stage. While this is incredible for on-street applications, it isn't too useful for whatever else. Cost ought to continue as before concerning current model, $32,000 for base model, with extra treats raising cost up to $54,000. It would appear that rather than a progressive plan, the auto will get a more transformative look. From the government operative shots we can see the auto's front end isn't generally all that diverse over that of its ancestor. Be that as it may, the grille is by all accounts bigger, and it really appears to have an alternate shape, more like what the Edge brings to the table. From the profile we can plainly observe the outline signals taken from the more seasoned auto.